Aruba Clearpass. What does? Aruba Clearpass is a network access control (NAC) solution provided by Aruba. It is designed to enhance network security and simplify the management of user access to wired, wireless, and VPN networks. Clearpass helps organizations enforce security policies, authenticate and authorize users, and ensure that only authorized devices can connect to the network. It provides a comprehensive set of features for network visibility, access control, guest access management, device onboarding, and policy enforcement. Key features of Aruba Clearpass include policy enforcement. Clearpass allows organizations to define and enforce granular policies based on user roles, device types, and other attributes. It ensures that only compliant and authorized devices can access the network. Authentication and authorization. Clearpass supports various authentication methods such as username password, certificates, multi-factor authentication, MFA, and integration with external identity sources like Active Directory and LDAP. It also enables dynamic authorization based on user and device attributes. Guest access management. Clearpass simplifies the process of granting temporary network access to guests, visitors, and contractors. It provides self-registration portals, customizable guest workflows, and options for sponsor-based approvals. Device onboarding. Clearpass facilitates secure and automated onboarding of devices onto the network. It supports various device types, including smartphones, tablets, laptops, and Internet of Things (IoT) devices. It ensures that devices meet security and compliance requirements before granting access. Network visibility. Clearpass offers comprehensive visibility into network activities, devices, and users. It provides real-time monitoring, reporting, and analytics to detect and respond to security threats, unusual behavior, and policy violations. Integration and ecosystem support. Clearpass integrates with a wide range of networking equipment, security systems, and third-party applications. It supports integration with Aruba's portfolio of networking products as well as other vendor solutions. Overall, Aruba Clearpass is a robust and scalable solution that helps organizations secure their networks, streamline access management, and ensure compliance with their security policies. 1. What is Aruba Clearpass? Answer: Aruba Clearpass is a security access management and policy platform that provides a single point of control to manage and secure access across wired, wireless, and VPN networks. 2. What are the key features of Clearpass? Answer: The key features of Clearpass are its ability to perform authentication, authorization, and accounting (AAA) tasks, as well as policy management, guest access management, and device profiling capabilities. 3. What differentiates Clearpass from other access management solutions? Answer: The key differentiators of Clearpass are its ability to provide network access control, application and device control, and endpoint visibility and control in a single platform. It also offers a comprehensive set of services, including onboarding, provisioning, and remediation. 4. How does Clearpass authenticate users and devices? Answer: Clearpass uses a variety of authentication methods, including 802.1x, MAC authentication, and web authentication, as well as integration with external authentication sources, such as Active Directory and LDAP. 5. How does Clearpass help with network security? Answer: Clearpass can enforce policies to ensure that only authorized devices are allowed on the network, and can detect and respond to security threats in real time. It also provides visibility into network activity and can help identify potential security risks. 6. What are some common use cases for Clearpass? Answer: Clearpass is commonly used for network access control, guest access management, BYOD, and mobile device management, and IoT device onboarding and management. 7. How does Clearpass integrate with other network and security solutions? Answer: Clearpass integrates with a variety of network and security solutions, including Aruba's wireless LAN and switching products, as well as third-party firewalls, SIEM solutions, and endpoint protection platforms. 8. How can Clearpass help with compliance requirements such as GDPR and HIPAA? Answer: Clearpass can enforce access policies to ensure that only authorized users and devices are allowed on the network, and can provide audit logs and reporting to demonstrate compliance with regulatory requirements. 9. How can Clearpass be deployed in an enterprise environment? Answer: Clearpass can be deployed as a virtual appliance, on-premises hardware appliance, or as a cloud-based solution. It can be easily integrated with a variety of network and security solutions, and customized to meet specific enterprise requirements. 10. What training and certification courses are available for Clearpass? Answer: Aruba offers a range of training and certification courses for Clearpass, including the Clearpass Essentials course, Clearpass Advanced course, and Clearpass Professional certification. Aruba Clearpass provides AAA, authentication, authorization, and accounting services to secure access across wired, wireless, and VPN networks. Here's how Clearpass implements AAA. 1. Authentication. Clearpass supports a range of authentication methods, including 802.1x, MAC authentication, web authentication, and integration with external authentication sources such as Active Directory and LDAP. It also supports multi-factor authentication to provide an additional layer of security. 2. Authorization. Clearpass implements role-based access control, RBAC, to grant or deny access to network resources based on user identity, device profile, and other policy criteria. It can enforce policies to ensure that only authorized devices are allowed on the network. 3. Accounting. Clearpass provides detailed accounting logs for network access and resource usage, which can be used for billing purposes as well as audit trails. It can integrate with SIEM solutions to provide real-time monitoring and alerting for network activity. By providing these AAA services, Clearpass can help organizations secure their networks and ensure that only authorized users and devices are allowed access to critical resources.